fish?
Yeah, you might have gotten off.
This Beneteau is going to drive straight over a sandbar.
They're not going to ground out because it's high tide.
It might just hit.
Yep,
They just hit now.
they just hit.
Those guys literally just drove into a sandbar that is dry in the day. You saw the boat, it kind of went, oh.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, they got off it. They got off it.
Yeah.
They're backing up.
There you go. Good times.
This anchorage just got very, very busy. Very busy.
That's an understatement.
But yeah, we'll see what happens tonight. Another sleepless night awaits us, I think.
What's happening, baby?
Something's going after it.
We're trolling, aren't we?
Yeah. Something's definitely got, like, trying to grab it. So I've had a few nibbles.
You got a fish?
Yeah, it might have gotten off. Oh, no. Come on, keep it safe. We need a new one.
Let's go slow.
Yeah, it's still on. It's still on.
Oh no, we'll eat him. Yeah, perfect. Baby caught a fish. The following morning, we head off to do some snorkeling and spearfishing. First lobster in the Bahamas!
Holy equipment! Holy!
That was freaking amazing!
That was probably the one!
See if he's got holes in his face!
Oh god!
That was what an amazing shot!
Holy! That's not fair.
He doesn't have any holes. I think this is just a freshie.
Really?
Yeah, bro. He's just some random one just swimming away.
How did he go, Jay?
Wow! Best day lobster hunting ever. I think we got one that's about huge, isn't it? It's like this big. Yeah, a little bit smaller, but still way bigger than anything we've ever caught. The second one, though, he started just swimming out in the open. I imagine.
I think I missed that video. Well, I got you right at the end.
Yeah.
So.
But wow, incredible Bahamas, Bahamian lobster. The size is there. Later that afternoon, we decided to go spearfishing again.
And what did you get as an early Christmas present, James?
Well, our kind friends from Passing Wind, Sonny and Karen, have given me, or given us,
oh my
a hand
god.
spear. Can you believe it?
Best present ever.
We would have had no lobster today, no fish yesterday.
Nothing.
If it wasn't for these amazing people. And now the journey gets to continue.
That's right.
Now there's pressure.
I know.
Because I have to get something. Wow, it's so hot. Unfortunately, the spearing in this area wasn't quite as good, so we take in some amazing snorkeling. Well, we're gonna head over to this beach that you can see just here. I don't know what this little island's called, but we've been anchored next to it for 4 days, and it's full of iguanas.
I'm gonna call it Iguana Island.
Nat says she's going to call it what?
Iguana Island.
Iguana Island, there you go. So that's Iguana Island. One of many, I think, in the Bahamas, but we're gonna go see the little critters and check them out.
When they all rush down to greet you at the beach, it's kind of like, ah! But they're really cute. Especially the little ones. I love them. They're the fast ones though.
Yeah.
Just turn around and they're like right there. Boom.
These handsome fellows are known as the Allen K rock iguanas, and they can only be found in the Exuma Islands. Thought once to be extinct, they are still considered critically endangered.
Bye-bye, iguanas. Aww. They're all on the beach waiting. So cute. Maybe instead of a dog, we can have a pet iguana. No, they belong here. They belong in the wild. That's for
Iguana
sure.
Island.
On Iguana Island, named after moi. My famous step off. Hello. Only happens in good conditions. Actually, I've done it in pretty bad conditions as well, but that's very dangerous, so I'm going to stop doing that.
Alright.
Are you going for a swim?
Yeah, and then I'm going to put the dinghy up.
Dingo up, because tomorrow we are off to Nassau.
Question
Back
is,
to Nassau.
Sorry. The question is, motor off or leave motor on? I'll take the motor off.
Ooh. Okay. All right, let's get this going. Hey. So we're off on our way to Nassau. We should be sailing today. We've got about 15 knots. Yeah, so we're going to use the whisker pole and we're going to pull out that Jenny today because it should be behind us or kind of on our quarter. But yeah, we'll see. We're about to turn now, so.
From my winter hell, I've got candles and candy. I can be your daddy if you only let me creep into your prison cell. Hey baby, can you tell?
What have we got? 15
We got yeah, we got about 15 knots apparent, 18 knots true. We're doing anywhere from 6 to 7.5 knots downwind sailing with a reef general on the whisker pole. We're flying. What sailing's that, man?
No waves.
That's it.
No waves whatsoever.
Just speak low, stand in your row. Try not to show, this life's a show. Try not to glow. Way down below, it's a lot of woe. And that's the place where you would like to go. I've got cigarettes and brandy, which could come in handy if you just help me loosen up my hand grenades fuse. Baby, don't refuse my truth, but it's up to you now to choose. I want you to stay true to what's right for you, no matter who. Oh, and know what will others say.
Nat doesn't know, but look, 27th of April. So we've had to apply for a B1, B2 visa for Nat for when we go to the United States. I have a Canadian passport, so I don't need it. But the first available appointment they give you, because you have to do an in-person interview, was like, it was late June or early July or something here in Nassau. So we requested an emergency expedited appointment, and we've gotten the 27th of April, and she doesn't know that yet. So I'm gonna go up and tell her. Hey Nat,
Yeah.
how's the laundry?
Yeah, good.
So your appointment's 27th April now.
No way.
27th April, baby!
They changed it? They accepted our
Expedited request?
oh my god!
Woohoo!
The best news ever! Oh, are you serious?
Yes, 100%.
Best news ever!
We're coming to America!
Oh my, do you know how much I was stressing about that?
Yeah, she was not sleeping this one.
Well, because we got it so late and we were gonna have to redo our visas here and
New cruising permit
and stay for hurricane season where we're not covered for our insurance, and oh my god, oh, that's such good news. Yeah. Thank goodness. Oh my god, such good news. Okay, now we can start the day.
Now we can start. That's a great start to the day. So we're preparing because in 5 days we have our first group of people that are attending as part of the Zephyr experience. It's going to be absolutely incredible. We have these amazing couple from Michigan that are coming. They are sailors, which is awesome, and we can't wait to have them. So it is frantic cleaning mode on the boat now.
Yeah.
It's been, obviously it was a bachelor pad for 2 months, Nat's come back, and now we got to convert it back to, you know, the wonderful living space we have. And
essentially, he left all the cleaning to me. That's essentially
I think she's exaggerating. Come on. No, but we do got a bit of work to do, and of course we've been trying to work out all the gremlins in the boat that sort of pop up as liveaboard cruisers. But anyways, first things first for me today is I'm gonna run in, get some propane filled, pick up a few little bolts here and there, and Nat's gonna crack on with some cleaning the couch cushions. They got kind of quite dirty in Panama, didn't they?
I think they're just moldy. Everything went moldy in Panama. Yeah. Absolutely everything. So that's what we've got to do. We've got a lot of work today, so.
Yeah, so it's all hands on deck, and that is it.
I need to see it.
Yeah, look at it.
Oh my god. 27th of April.
27th of April.
So good. Thank goodness for that.
It's awesome, isn't it?
It's like a whole weight has been lifted off my shoulders.
Amazing.
Because I felt like I was the weak link there, kind of not, you know, like James could get in because of his Canadian visa, Canadian passport, sorry. But I couldn't get in because I don't have any of that. So, oh, such good news.
Woohoo!
But I've still got to pass the interview. So, might still not be in, but at least we've got the interview.
You're fine. All right, guys, we'll check in with you later.